Okay guys, so we are back in the vehicle again and we are testing out another one of these Android and CarPlay devices that actually connects your phone directly to your car's CarPlay system wirelessly. This is the Carlinkit. This is the whole system right here. Let's go ahead and pop this box open and take a look at it. First of all, this particular model comes in a really nice box. That's the unit right there. It's good and shiny. Had the little plastic film on it. I got to peel it off. So this is the whole device right here. And this device is slightly different than the other devices that I've seen that are out there, because this one, you connect it directly to your CarPlay system. It connects your phone wirelessly. Well, now that you've used that port to connect this, you've eliminated your charging port if you need the charger. Well, this one has a built-in charging port too. So you can actually plug this in and plug it directly into your phone, and now your phone will be charging when you need to. But on those times you want to actually be wireless, like you're just hopping in your vehicle to run to town real quick, you don't need to actually have wires all over the place. This is going to connect it through your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth system on your phone directly to your CarPlay system. So I'm going to actually install this. Let me show you what all is in the package. So first of all, we have the CarLink module, and then it comes with two different cords. It comes with a USB C to C cord, so you can use the C port of your actual CarPlay system, because mine has two ports. It has a USB 2.3 and a USB-C in it, so I can use either one to connect to CarPlay. So this is the one that we can use, or they send you the USB 2.3 plug with a USB-C on the other end. So that's what we've got, because this little unit itself is powered by USB-C. So plug this in, and that's pretty much the whole unit. You're going to plug this in into your CarPlay port and just let it sit down there. And when you get in your vehicle and start your vehicle is going to automatically connect to the CarPlay system, which enables you to have your nav systems, your wireless, your Wi-Fi or your hotspot from your phone, all of that stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you how to connect it, and then I'm going to show you on screen what it looks like. Okay, so if you look down in there, you see those two blue ports. One of those I'm going to be plugging directly into. Here's the little device. So I'm going to just put it right there and plug that in. And now we can just tuck that in there and it's out of the way. And you'll see that the red light came on. It's ready to go. So now if you'll look up here on screen, we now have where it says CarPlay continue or disable. Continue. And then you agree to the terms. Now, it's telling you your Bluetooth connection. So you're going to go to your phone, turn on your Bluetooth. Let's see if we can get a better shot of that. Bluetooth, and scroll down to the bottom. There it is, sync. And use CarPlay. So now we've got it. So we've got, boom, we're now hooked up directly to the actual CarPlay system. So now you can see, that's my navigation map. We can go over here and look at all the apps. These are the apps that are available for your CarPlay system. Everything from my, I can actually do Zoom calls in here, Audible, Libby, my Spotify, my WhatsApp, and gives you your calendar, messages, phone. And when you go back to the main part of the screen, it gives you your navigation, tells you exactly what's doing right now. So like in Libby, I have no playable titles open right now. So I'm going to go to my phone and I'm going to turn on my phone because I'm actually got a book downloaded, the Grayson Legacy. And boom, I turned it on and now it shows up here. So I'm going to hit play here.
What about Emma Stilton? She had contracted a deadly disease earlier in Africa, but showed
that's the book I'm listening to.
Gary had taken.
And you hit pause, and it pauses on both devices. I've done several of these CarPlay systems for Android and for iPhone, and they all work amazingly. This Carlinkit is really super simple to connect. It's literally, you just go to your Bluetooth and you sync it. It tells you which one to look for. And once you're done with that, next time you get in your vehicle, you turn on your vehicle, it's going to go through the boot up process. It's going to take about 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds once your screen comes up, and your phone is going to be connected directly to your CarPlay system with no wires. As you can see right now, no wires on it, and I can hit play on this. Let me hit play.
Into the estate, and upon testing, it was determined that she had
so
a new.
When you hit the play, it actually will connect. Now, if I actually search something on my map system in my phone, it's going to show up on the screen. So these are great for cutting the cord clutter, which is something I'm a big proponent of, getting rid of that clutter of all those cords. Because if you're driving around and you've got 5 different cords down here plugged into all these different ports, they can kind of get in the way. And you don't always need to have the cord in your vehicle. My drive and commute back and forth to work and stuff is literally 10 minutes. So there's really no reason for me to plug my phone in for a 10-minute drive. I'm not going to use that much of my battery. So this is a great way to eliminate all of that cord clutter. So are these, and is this something that I would recommend? I absolutely recommend these. I now have one of these in every single one of my vehicles, and several of my friends, I've actually put these in their vehicles, and they absolutely love them. So yes, I would recommend this.